Today I am reviewing the Skytech Prism 4 gaming PC desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for one of the most powerful pre-built gaming PCs available right now, the Skytech gaming lineup has been making serious waves, and the Skytech Prism 4 gaming PC desktop might just be their most impressive build yet. Designed for hardcore gamers, content creators, and enthusiasts, this machine is built to deliver extreme performance without compromise. Let's start with the core of this beast, the processor. At the heart of the Prism 4 sits the incredibly powerful AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D. Known for its advanced 3D V-cache technology, this CPU is specifically optimized for gaming performance. With boost speeds reaching up to 5.2 GHz, it excels in delivering high frame rates, especially in CPU-intensive titles. What makes this processor stand out is its ability to reduce latency and improve overall game responsiveness, making it one of the best choices for gamers who want maximum performance. Now, pair that with the absolute monster of a GPU, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 with 32 GB of GDDR5 memory, and you're stepping into next-level territory. This graphics card is designed for extreme gaming, capable of handling 4K ultra settings with ease and even pushing into 8K or high refresh rate gaming scenarios. With the latest ray tracing and AI-powered technologies, visuals look stunningly realistic, while performance remains smooth and consistent. Whether you're playing competitive titles or massive open-world games like Call of Duty, Fortnite, or Elden Ring, this system handles everything effortlessly. Expect ultra settings, high frame rates, and a truly immersive experience. Memory and storage are equally top tier. With a massive 64 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz, multitasking becomes effortless. You can game, stream, edit videos, and run demanding applications all at the same time without any slowdown. The 2 TB Gen4 NVMe SSD ensures blazing fast load times, quick file transfers, and plenty of storage for large game libraries. Cooling is another major highlight of the Prism 4. It features a high-performance 360mm AIO Liquid Cooler paired with RGB fans. This setup keeps temperatures under control even during intense workloads. Thermal throttling is virtually eliminated, allowing the CPU and GPU to perform at their full potential consistently. This is especially important for long gaming sessions or heavy rendering tasks. The build quality and design also deserve attention. The Prism 4 comes in a visually striking case with a unique curved wood accent design, giving it a premium and modern aesthetic. Combined with RGB lighting, it looks fantastic in any gaming setup. It's not just about looks either. The airflow design is optimized to keep components cool, while maintaining a clean and organized interior. Powering all of this hardware is a robust 1200W Gold ATX 3.0 power supply. This ensures stable and efficient power delivery, even under maximum load. It also provides headroom for future upgrades, which is always a plus for enthusiasts. Connectivity and usability are solid as well. With built-in Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, the system is ready for a wide range of setups. It also comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, offering a modern interface and improved performance features for gaming. One thing that stands out about Skytech systems is the clean software experience. This PC comes with minimal bloatware, meaning you get a faster, cleaner system right out of the box. That's something many users will appreciate. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. This PC is built for extreme performance. It can run virtually any modern game at ultra settings and 4K resolution while maintaining smooth frame rates. For competitive gamers, it delivers high FPS and esports titles. For creators, it offers incredible rendering speeds and multitasking capabilities. Whether you're editing 4K or even 8K video, working with 3D models, or streaming gameplay, this machine handles it all with ease. Of course, with great power comes a higher price tag. This is not an entry-level or mid-range system. It's a premium, high-end build aimed at users who want the absolute best. It's also worth noting that its size and power consumption are higher than average, which is expected for a system of this caliber. So who is this PC for? If you're a serious gamer who wants top-tier performance with zero compromises, this is an excellent choice. If you're a content creator or professional working with demanding applications, it's more than capable. And if you simply want a future-proof system that will stay relevant for years, the Prism 4 delivers on that promise. On the other hand, casual users or those on a budget might find this system overkill. But for those who demand the best, it's hard to beat what Skytech has put together here. In conclusion, the Skytech Prism 4 gaming PC desktop is a true powerhouse. With its cutting-edge CPU, next-gen GPU, massive memory, advanced cooling, and premium design, it stands as one of the most powerful pre-built gaming PCs available today. If you're ready to experience gaming and performance at the highest level, this machine is absolutely worth considering.